So, got quite a bit of typing we're going to do on this one compared to the previous ones. They're not giving us much. I just say that we're using system. It's going to be a console. They gave it a name, and they started us out with our main and nothing in it. So let's go ahead and come down. We've got our insertion point where it needs to be, the right indentation. So let's declare a constant, and it's going to be a double. And we'll call it raise. Now, if it's a constant, it needs to be all uppercase. Equals 0.04. And that statement will come down, we'll create a double, salary 1 equals 25,000, comma, salary 2 equals 38,000, comma, and salary 3 equals 51,000. Now let's talk about that line for a second. We defined the data type as a double. We declared 3 variables all within the same line. So that one statement assigned values to 3 different variables of the data type double. So we're a little more efficient with our space. That could have taken up 3 lines of code, and we did it all quick and easy with just a single. Okay, so there's our declarations. Let's come down and give a little white space and separate it out. I'll do right line, open and close it, and they've got this output statement they want us to have. I'm going to copy that so it is exactly the way they want it to be. Next year's salary for the first employee will be, and then I'll put that curly brace in there, and then we put a comma after that quotation mark, and now we put in there, what is it, where did that, oh, I need the index of 0, don't I? What is it that we're putting in there at the end of that string? Well, let's come up with a calculation. Salary 1 plus salary 2 times raise. So there's a calculation. Salary 1 plus salary 2 times raise. Now, let's go ahead and take that, and we're going to convert it to a string, to string, and we want it to be formatted like currency. Okay. Now, let's see how that one line works for us. It says we got a warning because we declared some things, didn't use them. That's a been there, done that for us, so it's no worries. Next year's salary for the first employee will be $26,520. Now look at that. $26,520. We did the math and we converted it from just a double, because salary was a double. Double times a double is a double. Double plus a double times a double is a double. But then we formatted it here as currency. That's that C. So we see it there, and it looks like money. So let's go ahead and we're going to be efficient. Copy that. Enter V. Enter V. So the first employee we have, second, and third. And the difference in the calculation, oh, I got a little number error here. I should have had salary 1 plus salary 1. So over here on this next one, we've got salary 2 plus salary 2, salary 3 plus salary 3. We'll go ahead and run it. We used all of them, so we didn't get any warnings. Next year's salary for the first employee will be $26,000. Next year's salary for the second employee will be $39,520. For the third employee will be $53,040. Let's go ahead and test it and see how we ended up. And we're good. So there's some new things we've got in here. When it comes to this right line, we did what we've done a little bit previous with that index and just passing a value into that string. But what is it that we passed in? The result of a calculation that's converted to a string, not just any string, but a string converted into the format of currency. Okay. So let's go ahead and